In a suitable glass bowl, pour the egg whites and cream of tartar, and whisk them together with an electric mixer until stiff peaks form. In the middle of the process, add the vanilla extract and continue beating. Without turning off the mixer, gradually add the powdered sugar and continue beating. In the middle of the process, turn off the mixer and bring the mixture from the sides to the center of the bowl, then beat again. Now, the meringue should hold its shape when turned upside down. Add the chopped walnuts and gently fold them in using a spatula until evenly distributed. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and drop spoonfuls of the mixture onto it, leaving some space between each cookie. Sprinkle pistachio powder on top of each cookie for decoration. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven at 120 degrees Celsius for 55 to 60 minutes. After 50 minutes, remove one of the cookies from the oven, let it cool, and test its texture. If it's crispy, remove the baking sheet from the oven. If it's slightly soft, leave the baking sheet in the oven until the cookies dry out completely. Once removed from the oven, let the cookies cool completely on the baking sheet, then transfer them to an airtight container. These cookies can be stored at room temperature in a cool place, not in the refrigerator, for up to 2 months. Enjoy your walnut meringue cookies.